Hello and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's video we're talking about taking risks. So let's get started. What risk did you take that had a positive result? One risk I took that turned out well was starting my own business. A follow-up question could be, why did you take this risk? I wanted to be my own boss and pursue my passion. What was the result of this risk? The business grew steadily and I became financially stable. How did you feel about this experience? I felt proud and relieved that my decision paid off. Okay, pretty short amount of questions this week. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. Introduction to taking risks. Taking risks involves making choices that may have uncertain outcomes. It requires evaluating potential gains and losses before making a decision. Risks to be found in various aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional endeavors. Embracing uncertainty can lead to personal development and enriching experiences. One of the domains where calculating risk can lead to positive results is personal growth. Stepping out of one's comfort zone can lead to self-discovery and expanded horizons. Calculating risks play a pivotal role in achieving success in careers and businesses. Entrepreneurs often take financial risks to start their own ventures. Identifying potential risks and making informed decisions is integral to effective risk management. Seeking advice from mentors or experts can help make informed choices. Approaching risks wisely requires careful planning, research, and understanding. Analyzing failures, adapting strategies, and applying newfound knowledge can lead to future successes. Failure is not necessarily a step back. It can be an opportunity for learning and growth. Taking calculated risks is essential for personal and professional development. Embracing uncertainty and making informed decisions open doors to new opportunities and achievements. Lessons learned from both success and failure contribute to a richer and more fulfilling life journey. Thank you for listening. I hope you found that interesting. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions. Please read along with me and take away some to incorporate into your own use. Calculated risks, stepping stones, uncertain outcomes, personal growth, comfort zone, self-discovery, enriching experiences, professional advancement, financial gains, job opportunities, risk management, informed decisions, mentors, failure, adapting strategies, lessons learned, embracing uncertainty, new opportunities, fulfilling life journey, wisely, barrier, richer, pivotal role, relevant field, setback, adopting strategies, navigating wisely, analyzing, overcoming challenges, fulfilling. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please help me to open some of these into your own words at home. What risks have you taken that results in something positive? Instead, you could say, have you ever taken a chance that turned out well? Why did you decide to take that risk? What made you choose to take that risk? What was the outcome of the risk you took? What happened as a result of the risk you took? Taking calculated risks is essential for personal growth and development. It's important to take thoughtful chances for one's personal progress. The outcome of the risk was much better than I anticipated. The result of the risk was far more positive than I expected. And lastly, paraphrasing description. And you're on your own for that one. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.